Yeah, these are my toys. Yeah, you understand? Look at that. Nice. Got another one out here. I'm repairing the bike, putting a new clutch. And as you can see, just bought it. Let me see, my clutch is right here. You know what I mean? About to put it in there. Brand new clutch, as you can see. Look at that. Brand new clutch. Look at the inside, dirty. Still cleaning it out. This little motherfucker right here do 50 miles per hour. Ain't that about a bitch? These are my toys, these are my hobbies, this is what I like doing. Yeah, so I do everything. Photographer slash video editor, graphic designer. I do it all. So, alright guys. Let me finish up on this. Look at that. Ugh. It looks disgusting. I gotta clean this shit out. See you guys later.